Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a video response for Cara Mia's Corner. She's currently having a Christmas Challenge giveaway 2021. She is requesting memory dex cards with a Christmas theme. The challenge goes until December 1st, 2021. So I want to share with you the memory dex card that I made for her. So I used the Santa Baby collection, the puffy stickers, super simple. I cut out the memory decks with the gold and pink cricket glitter paper, which is my favorite, and just adhered the little puffy stickers on it. I think it's really cute, it's simple, and I hope she likes it. So be sure to check out her channel. It's Cara Mia's Corner here on YouTube, and her challenge for the Christmas Challenge Giveaway 2021. It goes until December 1st. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.